rolling.
That's right. Hi, I'm Auden. I lost my voice, so this video will be narrated by my husband. Today I wanted to give my first impressions of Emmaline bags, Mora and Rex faux leather. I work primarily with leather, sometimes cork or interface cotton, occasionally canvas. I've never found a faux leather I like, so I ordered this. I'm hopeful. Mora. It stretches a bit in the long direction.
I thought. So, this one is the yard. It seems to stretch in the short direction. I don't know. The half yard that I felt stretched the other way. I'm not sure. I'll have to work with it. It stretches in one direction. Here. So this is the long direction. Seems fine. This is the short. There's definitely long, short. So for the purple, the grape, it's opposite.
For the grape, it seems to be opposite. It may have to do with how it was cut.
Or the color, I don't know. I'm new to it. So
We'll play with it and see.
Yeah. Okay.
It's soft, not plasticky.
Yeah, look at that.
It came in the box, folded up gently and rolled a little, but it's not a problem like it would be with most faux leathers. It's really not wrinkled like I would expect after that sort of storage. It does not have any texture on the surface. The marbling is a paint effect that you can see there. It's lightweight. It would behave well on a domestic sewing machine. They're sold by the yard and the half yard. I recommend ordering this by the half yard because of storage and how convenient they are. Yeah, you can see the half yard here. Super easy to store. If you were making a big bag for a special project, we would order it specially. So if you needed a big panel.
Yeah, because I'm usually a yard girl.
Yeah, we usually order by the yard.
Half yard all the way.
Half yard all the way for this. The Mora is the nicest faux leather I've ever handled.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So that's the lighter brown.
It's a light brown Mora.
And then here's the dark brown. But the color's pretty true.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Seems like, yeah.
Brown. Oh,
Yeah.
does
It
that
looks,
demonstrate how it behaves? Like,
yeah. You can see how it behaves there.
here's the back. It's really like thin.
Mm-hmm. Seems like it'd be nice to work with. I think it might show a little more gray on the camera here, but it looks pretty true to color.
I mean, here it is with the black Rex.
Yep.
So, okay. I have a whole bunch of Mora samples too.
Yeah, we got lots of samples.
Okay.
It's only a buck a pop, so why not?
US dollars. There's dark brown.
Dark brown.
Oh, that looks like Rex, yeah. Rex. I ordered a lot of Rex samples. Okay, here's Mora.
Okay. Gulf Coast teal. Moroccan blue.
You can see that it's like smooth.
Yep, you can see it's totally smooth. All of the color is just from a paint effect.
Yeah. There it is, like doubled over. Where's the, I need a roller. I don't know. What is that? Like,
It's a fraction of an inch. It's like a millimeter thick.
yeah, like, anyway.
1/16 of an inch thick, something like that.
Marine blue.
Marine blue. Navy blue.
I really like this one, but it was sold out.
We really like this one, but it was sold out.
More grape.
Gotta love the grape.
Can I even see it when I flip it over?
Yeah, that comes out really well.
Oh, good.
Olive.
I'm glad I got the samples because olive didn't look that good on the website. But I like olive. It's spicy. It's nice if you like yellow.
Spicy mustard, I think this was.
Yeah. This is charcoal. I just ordered it.
Oh yeah, we just ordered more of this.
And Bordeaux. I ordered a ton of Bordeaux.
Very pretty.
I don't know where the Bordeaux went. Okay. Now Rex, right?
Yep, now on to Rex. So
in comparison, right?
yeah. So in comparison, Rex is also soft. It comes in a lot of colors. This comes in a lot of colors and metallics on the website.
Okay, yeah, wait. Mora?
Okay.
There's no, like, sticky noise.
There's no sticky noise when you rub the Mora together.
It's like a fabric noise.
It more sounds like a fabric.
Whereas?
Because if you rub the Rex together,
Yeah.
you can hear more noise, more plasticky vinyl rubbing sound.
Like sticky.
A little sticky, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it comes in a lot of colors. It's not super plasticky or sticky, but it's more so than the Mora. It's also more of a typical faux leather. It comes in the metallics as well, which are really pretty. It does have surface pebbling, you can see, which I'm not opposed to. Real leather comes both ways, actually, and in a variety of finishes. Next is stretching, which, as discussed, not really
It's
sure.
Very color to color, but Emmaline is like, you could just email Emmaline and they'll know.
Yeah.
This stretches along the. This one stretches along the long way that you would cut your straps. I knew it. Yup. That's like not insignificant.
It's a fair bit of stretch.
Reinforce your straps.
Use nylon seam tape to reinforce your straps. They'll make a world of difference. So, not as excited about Rex. I'm sure it's worth the money, but it's also a quote, typical faux leather. I assume
nice, but
it's nice. Assume it's nicer to sew than other faux leathers.
Oh shit.
Ooh, that's some crinkling right there.
Oh, I swore on my YouTube video. You can probably iron it gently.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I haven't sewn it yet. It's lightweight. Should behave well on a domestic, but there is some wrinkling there.
Okay.
So, for me, my first impression is Mora is really something special and absolutely worth the cost. It's about 2 times other faux leathers, even with the exchange rates.
I did the same thing to Mora.
We did the same thing to Mora.
This is absurd.
And maybe it's different
No,
with the
it comes right
metallics.
out.
The Mora comes right out. Yeah, that's completely different.
I'm not gonna find out if it's different on metallic Rex or matte Rex.
Yeah.
I'm not trying it.
Nope. Not doing
on
it.
a normal vinyl, you can't do that.
You can't do any of that on a normal vinyl.
But
So
I just got confident because the Mora.
the Mora did so well,
Yeah.
we got confident.
Right. Okay. And here's the frosty pink. I don't know what they call it, but
Blush pink or something, I think it was. Also very pretty.
this would make me hesitant to use Decaville.
Yes.
Decaville wrinkles like crazy.
Decaville interfacing wrinkles like crazy, so we would be a little nervous to use Decaville to reinforce this.
I would use the
Craft Tech.
cereal backmakers woven
Woven Views. So yeah, we'd probably use, she's
Whatever
saying
that's
cereal
called.
bag makers, Woven Views. Something like that.
bouncy firm. Bouncy firm.
Bouncy firm.
Okay, so here. Oh crap, that's Rex. Sorry. Rex. Or Mora. Mora. Rex. Okay.
There's gold
It's called metallic oak.
metallic ochre. Rex.
It's really pretty.
Very pretty.
Metallic
metallic purple.
Oh, some of them are like more like lighter and more malleable than others.
Some of the colors seem lighter and more malleable than others.
Like metallic camel.
Metallic camel
would be
seems
really nice to
very
work with.
malleable, very nice to work with. Black. Dark brown. I think Mora right now doesn't come in. Okay, so here's black versus dark brown. Yeah, you can see that well on the camera.
Versus, hang on. I've got charcoal Mora is right here.
Yeah, that's
Here's
very useful actually.
Charcoal Mora.
Okay. Well, it looks a lot lighter when it's actually up next to the black.
Oh, I see why they called it charcoal. It's pretty though.
It's very pretty. Yeah, I think we got some of the Rex because Mora doesn't come in black, at least at the moment. White.
I like this.
Honeysuckle pink. Deep red. Cherry red. Dark blue, navy.
It's dark blue, navy, but it looks a lot like the grape to me. Okay, so here it is with the. Okay,
So we've got
navy,
navy Rex,
Mora.
navy Mora, okay.
dark blue, navy,
Dark blue, navy
Rex.
Rex.
and grape Mora.
Grape Mora. So you've got Mora, Rex, Mora there.
Mhm.
Interesting.
And then I like this.
Metallic pastel pink.
And this is just what I ordered.
And these are just the samples we ordered. There are more. These are just the ones we picked.
I spent like $25 on samples.
Probably spent $25 on samples, but it was
so
worth it to try.
Here's how our wrinkled Mora is recovering.
Here's how our wrinkled Mora is recovering. It's been through a lot. And here's how our wrinkled Rex is still pretty wrinkled. Just first impressions. So, yeah. Our first impression, Mora is really something special, worth the cost. It's about 2 times other faux leathers, even with the exchange rates from Canada to the US. Rex is great for the colors, but probably not worth all the expense in shipping, but we'll continue to buy it, let's be honest. And please note, these are just first impressions. We haven't sewn with them yet. Side note, we also ordered Emmaline wax canvas and 1-inch swivel snap clips. The swivel snaps look the same as all the other shops I've ordered from, but the weight is more comparable to Buckle Guy. I doubt Emmaline is brass though.
Could be, I don't know.
Could be.
It didn't feel that heavy, but
Yeah,
it felt heavy.
Yeah. I ordered these because it was convenient, but I think I might start buying more hardware from Emmaline, even though they are in Canada and I'm in the US and shipping is by weight. No flat rate. Yeah, no flat rate boxes, all weight. I'm pretty impressed on first impression. Shipping for a $350 order was $60 and arrived in 3 days. I was very impressed. And I already ordered Mora in another color. Charcoal when it became available. Very pretty.
Like, I mean, if you were doing a strap.
First strap.
It looks domestic friendly to me.
It looks pretty domestic friendly, even there in 4 layers folded up. It looks like you could sew it on a typical.
Well,
Yeah.
I have a Janome 3000. Or
Yeah, we have the HD 3000, which is so like a little higher.
It's just mechanical.
It's just, yeah,
Okay. Is that everything?
that's it.